Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this video, I am going to show you how to find a niche and create unique designs for Redbubble. It is important to find a niche that you're passionate about and create designs that stand out from the crowd. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your portfolio, this tutorial will provide you with some valuable insights on how to find a niche and create designs that will sell. So, without further ado, let's get started. Redbubble doesn't have an official niche finder tool, but there are several third-party tools and websites that can help you find a profitable niche on Redbubble. Bubble Trend is a great resource for find a niche and see what kinds of designs are popular. Just Google Redbubble Trends or Bubble Trends and you will get the Bubble Trend within first 3 results. You can log in for free and it will show you today's trending keywords in Redbubble. Also, you can find a trending keywords for a selected date as well. Scroll down and find a niche that has low amount of results. It is good to select a niche with results between around 75 to 200. I have selected a keyword, kayaking gets me wet girl vintage, and I am going to create a design for that with Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including social media graphics, posters, presentations, and more. Let's create the design for the selected keyword. Click on the Create a Design button located in upper corner of right-hand side. Select Custom Size, and give width as 4500 pixels and height as 5400 pixels. Now click on the Create New Design button and you will redirect to Designer Canvas. Using the tools and other elements I am going to create the design for kayaking gets me wet keyword. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll do our best to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks again for your support, and see you in the next tutorial.